It's now been almost a year since we've adopted DecoNetwork, and it's completely changed how effective we're able to do our jobs. DecoNetwork's one of those tools that really allows the smaller print shops to compete against the big guys. We spent quite a bit of time, probably about 6 to 8 months, actually looking at different software solutions on the market. And that's when we came across DecoNetwork. And it was after a quick demo and a chat with their team, we realized that that was the solution that we needed for our business to help us to continue to grow and scale. It's now been almost a year since we've adopted DecoNetwork, and it's completely changed how effective we're able to do our jobs, both for myself as the founder and manager of our shop, to our sales team, and our production team. DecoNetwork's helped us streamline all of our shop's operations, from the quoting and sales process, the production team, and invoicing into the same cloud-based platform in browser that we can access from any of our devices. Another part of our business that DecoNetwork has really helped us improve is our front customer-facing website. While we had a great site before, it wasn't very interactive, and beyond a contact form, there wasn't a whole lot of ability for customers to design or pick the products that they wanted. Our new site is a lot more in-depth and professional looking, but most importantly, it connects the front and the back end of our business. This has really helped us streamline all our service offerings to our customers, things like screen printing, direct garment, and embroidery. Another part of DecoNetwork that we're really excited to introduce for our customers is their function for online stores and campaign stores. Across all the demographics that we work with, there's going to be a lot of value to introduce this for our customers. Be they bands selling merchandise, CrossFit gyms, or even schools and fundraising campaigns. We see this as really important to compete with the bigger fish in our market, and DecoNetwork's one of those tools that really allows the smaller print shops to compete against the big guys. Looking toward the future, we're actually getting ready to build our own new shop over the next year and a half. And we're excited to use DecoNetwork to continue to help our clients bring their ideas from concept to cotton.